All right, so what do we got here? This tree we want to cut down that's leaning over, unfortunately, towards the power lines. So we're gonna have to go about cutting this thing down a different way. Might have to use a old machine and chain, hook up and pull it down that way, do some cuts here. So before we go ahead and just cut and see where it falls and hope for the best, I'm gonna try for that. And hopefully we can somewhat guide this thing down away from those power lines. So let's see what happens. All right, so we've got our chain up there. Now we're just gonna give ourselves a cut and then go ahead and pull back with the machine, put some tension on it and pull this away from the power lines and get it to hopefully fall that way. Big sis is gonna take care of the filming here. I just want to go ahead and point out that nobody here is a professional arborist, as it will soon be very apparent. And if you are in a situation like this, might be best to call someone who is a professional and don't attempt this at home.
Back. You can't really go back anymore. George! Woohoo!
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying. I normally go right to the bottom because I feel like the thing was leaning over like hell too. I'll dig up the whole stump anyway later, but there she is. She's out. See, just like that. It's like for engineers, basically.
That's exactly how we drew it up.
That's exactly how it was planned, right? At the end of the day, we wanted the tree to go that way, and that's all that matters. That's what happened. So we did it. Success. Mission success.
Success.
All right, well, there you go. This one was a success. Took a little bit of time. It was actually just a little bit of a weird angle on the tree, and we're just trying to make sure we cut it right before actually going through with the saw all the way to obviously ensure the tree came down the right way. Have to be absolutely sure in a situation like this. And if you guys enjoyed watching the video, please remember to give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and as always, thank you for watching.